you create. One folder is required, that is called backend. Backend or API better. API. One folder is called API. And one folder will be called a front end. So under the API, complete the installation part. Or in API folder, instead of reinstalling everything, in a REST API folder, you have two folders that you can copy and paste. Node modules, package log, and package. Only these three files are required. Node modules, package log, and package. Because that is not any code written by us. That code was downloaded. Right? So instead of reinstalling again, we can copy that and then put there. Package, package log, and module. Three file you, one folder and two file you copy from here. And paste under the, not API, paste under the API. Project of API. In project of API. Remaining, in this we have to create only REST API files. So there, files will be there, login files will be there, schema file will be there. Under API folder, all schema will be in one folder. All schema will be in one folder, and all API will be in another folder. Okay. So API files will be in the schema API folder. कोई लॉगिन लेट यार. तो सुबह से बोल के पेज पे हेड पेन रहता है, उसमें लेट आते हैं तो फिर हेड डबल पेन हो जाते हैं. So if you log in now, please create a folder called project. Follow instruction quickly. Create a folder called project. What you have learned till now, less than you have some knowledge to some people. Like अभी तक जो आपने पढ़ा है ना, till now whatever you have learned. So compared to you, some people are there, they have less knowledge. Okay? Okay? They are working like 2 year experience as a full stack, stack developer, not UI developer, stack developer. Okay? Last 4-5 months they are surviving in Apply. Okay? So you have got good experience now, good knowledge. Now the next matter is about opportunity. Okay? We will create a very clean project, right? And that project you can show in interview. Very good design, everything proper, some kind of solution of a problem. Folder is ready, project folder. In project folder, we have made API folder, right? Please create a folder called API. In project folder, create a folder called API. In project folder, create a folder API. And in API folder, so API folder is created. Now in API folder, you have a REST API folder somewhere. From the REST API, node modules, package and package.lock. These three items copy and paste in API folder. These three things you copy from here and paste in API folder. These three things you copy from here and paste in API folder. Hope you done that. Package, package lock, node modules, you copied and pasted under the API folder, right? Now under the API folder, one folder should be called schema. Schema, okay? And schema will hold all the schema, all the table definition will go to the schema folder, and one more folder will be called a API. Call it API and schema. Now API inside API become difficult, no? Yes. Don't worry. Outer folder will rename as a backend. The main folder API we have, we rename as a backend. Create API inside. So all the API will go under where? All the API file will go under the API. All the schema will go to the schema. Okay. And the main API folder that is under the project, you rename as a backend. Backend. Rename as a backend. So folder structure is organized. Backend, under the backend one is called API, another one is called node modules. Okay. So our files, whichever the files we will create definition will go to the schema, and the routing file will go under the API folder. Clear? Similar structure. Next, again in project folder, we require that React files. we require the React files. So again, React folder, if you copy paste, it will take long time. No node modules, no React. It's like your entire country. It will take 1 hour to copy it. So better than that, you open the CMD in project folder and create a project quickly. So hope all are on track. First impression was the last impression, but now I am saying last impression will be the first impression. You try this project end to end, it will be very good helpful. This is the last impression only, no? Which one? Project. If the last impression you forget, then unable to do, then what will happen? You can't show anything solid knowledge anywhere. So hopefully you are following it. Okay. Right. Now we are under the project folder. Open CMD in project folder and hope that you know how to create a project in React. That you can do it. Okay. Project name will be called the folder name npx create React app, and after that front end npx create React app, front end no space, correct? No, enter. In one of my previous batch, one person was there. He was in the 5 o'clock evening batch. 1 month he has learned the React. After that, one day I asked him, set up a new project. He started searching on internet. Okay. 1 month you attended the React. You did twice side, you created the Redux project also. You created React project also. In home also you created a project. Okay. And when someone asks create a project, set up a new project, one command you can't remember. Which command? npx create React app, your name. Right? I started searching on internet how to create a project. Okay. I told him, brother, when you go for interview, no, you are not the only one. Like you, many people will be there who will not search on internet. Correct? They don't need internet connection at that time. They will just write quickly and they will do it. Correct? Person feel bad. He went home and he told his father, like, in class he will scold me. His father also from the same category. He called me next day and he was saying, my son is 25 years old now. Okay. I told him, people who come to me, all will be BTech engineer. All are mostly 25 years. Okay. So what is the difference between he's 25 years and other 25 years? Other 25 years people remember and he forgot everything. Daily I ask the people to wait for 15 minutes and I fix his code, and after that only he do something. He went for interview in one company. After that, HR came. HR given the white sheet, write the answer. First they given the question to individual. After that the person was sitting on the first bench. HR given 2 seats, saying like pass 1 to him and you keep 1. Okay, and given the similar to seat to everyone. He not given the seat to next person. Okay, and he wrote his details, name, mobile number, email ID, address in the both the paper and submitted to same HR. Okay, understood or not? Same details wrote in 2 paper and submitted to same HR, and in fact one person is waiting for the paper. Okay, HR told give 1 paper to him. When first round interview happened, he got shortlisted. Okay, how he shortlisted? Not based on he write the correct answer. Based on that, HR hold him. What you understood when I given you 2 paper? Why you wrote the same solution in both the paper? For that purpose, HR hold him. Okay, and in that company, the person who took interview, he is one of our students. Because of that, he hold him. Okay. After finishing all the first round of interview, he also got shortlisted for the second round. Everyone got surprised. Everyone got surprised. Oh, he got shortlisted for the second round. Second round, HR asked the question from him. This is 2 paper. You tell me why you wrote your personal details in both the paper. Right? Person who was going to take the interview, he called me after half an hour. And he told that a person, his particular name, he came from your place only. So he has done this. I given his father number. I told this is his father number, he contact him. Okay. This is his father number, he contact him. He will also tell you my son is 25 years old. Don't feel bad that time. Understand? Project is ready? Market is not. You are the only one, correct? Government has made Skill India. Because government cannot give the job to everyone. So government said like, Skill India, you yourself you develop a skill so that someone will give you the job. That is called what? Skill India, right? आज स्किल तो पढ़ रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ रहे हो आप? Government cannot do. No, government has opened the school. Correct. Government cannot handle. So private people open the school, saying like no problem. I will follow your formula. I will educate the people. So this is now also you are doing the skill only. No, you are developing the skill. So someone, if a skill will come, someone will get the job. Ready? Loading. Do fast, yaar. So for how many people done? 924. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so almost for everyone, but 11 are there. Why not everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is myself, 9. Remaining 2 are left. Guardian has a lot of hope that after spending 10,000 rupees, something will start coming. Correct or not? Hope should not become zero. Spend a lot of time on study. Once you get a job, once you start working, correct? Once you become fully skilled person, a lot of people are there that can follow you. You don't need to follow the people. Correct? No? There is a lot of people that can follow you. Right? You don't need to follow anyone. But if you will not be skilled, if you will not get opportunity in the market, if you will not do very good in your life, then what will happen? The people who are following you, he will also not follow you. He will unfollow you. Right? Okay, let's go next. Which folder? The front-end folder. Okay. In the backend, everything was installed already. We need to create the API, and from there we need to continue. Come to the CD, that front-end folder, npm install, bootstrap.
How to make good resume? How to make good resume?
Good resume.
Yes.
Good resume. बहुत सारे फॉर्मेट है ना उनके पास.
सैंपल भेज दीजिएगा.
हेमा है so many फॉर्मेट. आप कल मॉल से 10:30 को मैसेज कीजिए इनको ग्रुप में. ग्रुप है ना ग्रुप. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप इधर कौन सा ग्रुप? द प्लेसमेंट ग्रुप. इन प्लेसमेंट ग्रुप वन पर्सन इज देयर हेमा. करेक्ट. आप उसको मैसेज कीजिए प्राइवेटली. मैसेज मैडम प्लीज सेंड मी द 4-5 सैंपल रिज्यूम और फ्रेशर और एक्सपीरियंस दोनों बोलिए. Okay, so we'll send you. See for that purpose only. Okay, installed, right? Now let's install npm. Install Sweet Alert. Sweet Alert. Okay, Sweet Alert installed. See this? Once you button click, a message will come, record saved successfully. This kind of all the type of message repeats. It's called testify. So npm install this one.
Yeah.
Here. npm install react-testify. I for install. npm command sent in the chat as well as it is available here. In the top right side and here also, please run it.
So जो ये प्रोजेक्ट इंस्टॉल करते हैं, ये API से फैच करता है ना?
On this website, npm
React.com. React website.
No, दिखा देता है ना वो जहाँ से, because npm node package manager, once you give the package name, they will find out where is the package. From there, it will take one copy and set up in the node models folder. It will download one folder from there and set up under the node models folder. Okay, npm install testify. You should make list of this all. Okay, so when you create a project anywhere in any company, or when someone will give the homework to do, correct? You add this all feature and then send. So your project will be little extra compared to everyone, right? Little extra feature will come. At least 1% project is will come. No? Okay, so done till here. Next, after that, npm install React router DOM. npm install React router DOM.
इसमें Redux यूज करेंगे.
करते हैं Redux पे सारी फीचर चाहिए. But Redux is not going to play the important role if you are using the API. Redux will not play the very important role if you are going to use the API. Okay, so hope installation is done for everyone. Now in project folder, open CMD, cd dot slash. It's go to the project folder. cd dot slash. Then you write call code space dot. Enter. Okay, open. Next, come to your frontend folder and src folder. In src folder, index.js folder, index.js file, you import here required components, import bootstrap, dist, css, bootstrap dot main.css. Okay, hope ready. Next, come to the your app.js file. Import in that. As router, root and link. Link you don't keep here. Link will keep separate somewhere else. From React router down.
The roots and root.
Roots, ROUTES. ROUTES. Roots and root. Okay, now let's come down. Right, done till here. Now write here some in a line function. Const dashboard. Why is throwing the error?
What's that code equal to?
Okay, dashboard and login. Both become a inline function. So let's do like this. Dashboard you call here directly. into the router. Login will not keep here. Login will cut from here. So call the dashboard in the bottom, and login will cut from here, and we'll add signals. Okay, so dashboard is called. Now cut the login from here, and take the login to the index.js file. Directly import right here, somewhere here. Okay. Cut that line and paste here directly in which file? Index. It should be after the import. Okay, so after the import is correct only. The react.restrict mode is written. You can remove that. Remove that. Render you keep here both. So we call the which file? Login we called here directly. See, login we are not linking to where? App.js. App.js will be a complete project and login.js is a separate file. Okay, login.js will be a separate file. App.js is a complete project. Now this login.js, let's write a condition here. If local storage.getItem, inside that user ID, or maybe you can write for some other variable name also. Token number or token ID. Token ID double equal to null. Then React root.render login component else root.render app component. Single line statement. Because of that, I have not used any kind of curly bracket. Just wrote directly. Okay, so wrote it. Now, which page will load? Root.render. Login will happen. Start server and check. CD frontend. npm start. Go to the frontend folder and npm start. I was in the project folder, so I written directly CD. You can go to the frontend folder and then write npm start. Coming. You cannot write npm start anywhere, wherever you want. npm start must be under the where project folder. If you write somewhere else, error will come. npm start also don't write under the backend folder. So what is error? This is invalid string built-in component where element type is invalid explicit string component in index.js. You made any mistake in index.js? In app.js, we have done any mistake? No, this look like wrong here. That the component we have written, no dashboard. Which will guide you. What is the problem? Patero.
Yes, sir.
Dashboard line, light Patero. Patero in line function. And in the index also. In dashboard, Patero, and index also login line. Patero.
Yes, sir.
It will come. We change to Patero. Happening.
Yes.
Now we will create a very good login page. So go here under the src folder. You create a file login.js. Page is loaded using the inline function. After creating the login, we'll import and will name will be same login only. We'll import it and we'll remove that. Page will load directly. So when you go for interview, if anyone asks to create the routing and all quickly, don't write that separate file. Like this, you create form about contact login register function write, and here quickly write which one routing. Correct. And in between, if they ask, then you can say yes, it's done. If you are creating a different file, it will take long time. Okay. And once your page is started loading, then you create the file and call. Create the file and call. So login file is ready. What is the component name? Login. We need to import in that one. You have import user state as well as toast and toast container. Import toast 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 container. Wait, I will see from there. What was the class name? Toast container. Toast container. Import toast container, comma, toast container we required one more, called toast, comma, TOA. नहीं एक और चाहिए, toast and toast container दोनों चाहिए. एक मिनट रुके. Website was there, no? This one, Toastify. We'll have below call. This all is done. Toast container. Okay. Toast. Okay. Toast में हमको message pass करना है. Toast container. Okay. Toast container we call here from React Toastify. And for that one more line is required. This one CSS. Import toast this toast container something is there. Wait. I will add this line under the index.js file. That is common for all. We will call that. So imported toast container. So when the user will log in and they will write wrong user and password, message will come in the right side saying like invalid username and password. And after some time, message will disappear. Fine. So go to the which file? Index. And in index, you write this line, import Toastify, toast container, this something is sent in your chat. Please write this line. React Toastify, this React Toastify.css. That will be common for all the components. What? Imported. Then now we will work on login page. In the login page, toast container is imported. Write const.
You cannot find module.
Which model? Spelling will be wrong. Check this. Toast hyphen toastify. React hyphen toastify. Import लिखिए. अपने आप सजेशन आएगा. Fine. So in login file, okay. Write full return. Return section tag. Section tag. Section tag open. Section tag close. And class versus section tag is full page. Full page. As well as full page. As well as bg hyphen info. bg info. Full page. There is no any class called full page. Right? We have to write the full page class. For what purpose? When the login page will appear, login page will take the full height and full width. And full page height and width will be this color. Which color? BG info. We want to change complete background. Which color? Info color. So first to write this class. Full page. In which file? Index.css. Where height 100% and width 100%. Okay. Write a class called full page. Height 100% and width 100%. Height 100%, width 100%, in which file? Index.css, full page, height 100%, and width 100%. So it will take total full height and full width, and background is not appear. Background should come, no? Yes. Background we wrote. Which background? BG info, right? That BG info should appear here. What actually? Get some data. Huh? Kaun sa class? Index.css is already available in index.js here. Available, no? You wrote here full page, height 100% and width also 100%. What is happened now? Definitely. Login have you imported? They are not imported. How it will come? So please write the CSS once. Height 100%, width 100%. Written. Then in login file, we wrote full page as well as BG info. Now this login you will import directly under the index.js. And one line is there. Const, we need to delete that. Import this file directly under the login.index.js. Hope everyone is trying. Const one line is written, delete that. Write here import login from login.js. Import login from login.js. Correct? Applying, but height is very less. It is not covering the full height. Okay, so no problem. So import here first, login.js file. We will do something in that. This line you have written. It's not coming. Why? Because under this login file you have not written anything. Write something, it will come. No need to write that. Hold on. So first import happen here. Correct. Then in index.css file height change to 700 pixel. Height change to 700 pixel. Height change 700 pixel. Now see, coming. Still need more. Keep 800, 900. It should cover full height. Little scroller is also coming somewhere. 750, I guess. 750 is more for me. 730 is okay somehow, right? Coming background color. Only 1% is active. Remaining say something यार इतना मैं बोला एटलीस्ट एक बार तो रिप्लाई करो आप. Look like simplex communication. One way data binding. You send anything, no reply. Send anything, no reply.
No,
Only input. Sometimes you see for 1 month continuous, you will see air will पूरब से हवा आता है, लगता है कि घर उड़ा देगा. All air will go to where? South. When in the south air will be filled, again from south it will turn to where? East. Then it will feel like all the houses will fly in the east. That's it. Okay, so let's go next. So height and width is 100% now. Come inside this file, login file. Okay, follow the division class as a container. Right inside a division, class equal to row. Division, call hyphen LG hyphen 4. Okay, in the middle port, write division, class equal to card. Under the card hyphen header, client login, then card body, right, then below card footer. It's coming in the very beginning, we have to pull it down. So in the card you will write, or container also you can write. In container you can write empty 5. So from top there will be very good that. In container you can write empty 5 from top. Oh, write in the card only. In card you write empty 5. In card you write empty 5. Look like this. Remove from container, apply in card. Okay, added. Then now go to the card footer. Text hyphen center. Right inside call. Button. Open. CTN hyphen. Enter. Then we'll go to the card body. Under the card body, division, then before, label, email ID. Input type equal to text. Form control. Mode. Password. So now card to card should look like this. Email and password. Okay. In the card, it will change it below. Shadow LG border -0. The card will be little attractive card. Some glowing is coming. Here. In the card I added shadow and border 0. Shadow and border. Okay, card header text we can change a little. Bold or maybe H5 we can apply here. It should look little bit there. H5. Look little bit there. Right, so done till here. Only the login page will have background is blue. Remaining page will have background is a white color. Okay, then see you. Tomorrow will not join. Day after tomorrow is which date? Now tomorrow is the Thursday, day after tomorrow is the Friday. Saturday we will log in for a little long time. Sunday also we need to log in for a little long time. Okay. So what time you are available? Saturday, Sunday? Morning or evening? Morning, never 9. Morning is not 9. Morning then. If you are trying to log in the morning, then 8 to 10:30.
But 8 means 8:30.
8:30 will not happen always.
Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, both today are down.
Tomorrow and after tomorrow we don't have class. We have class on Saturday, Sunday. By then I'll make the layout of the pages, what should be, where should be, what should be input, output. Okay, and anytime, 8 o'clock, 8 to 10:30 you can plan on Saturday and Sunday. Sunday we can sit for a little long time also. If you come after having lately. Okay, so we'll make it ready as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. The video website is not working. So from tomorrow you can see. Video will be accessible from tomorrow.